Sompembe uthi ibhola mayisuke phezu ko-center line.
Thank you, Scotty. Strap yourselves in, South Africa. This is huge. 90 minutes, potentially, of agony or ecstasy as South Africa enjoys some time on the ball. Playing in the familiar home kit of yellow and green. Rwanda in their change strip of light blue and yellow numbers on their back. 8 of the side played against South Africa 23 months ago. This is good from South Africa. Apollos goes on the overlap. Apollos, can he work an opening here? Mokwena setting it up. Apollos again. Root block to goal. Now it comes back to Talentum Bata. Does he pull the trigger? He decides to. It's in the net! Talentum Bata! Oh, the dream is alive! The dream is very, very much alive. And Bata on 5 minutes has rifled it in through the hands of Fiacre Ntwari, the Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper. Nigeria are winning, South Africa are winning. The lottery has just become a little bit more attainable. Gayton McKenzie is dancing. What a goal for Talentum Bata, the 25-year-old Buccaneer. Hammers that into the top corner. And South Africa have the lead just after news had filtered through that Nigeria had taken the lead. Apollos does so well, and Bata works it onto his right boot. Bit of a heavy first touch, but right through the hands of Ntwari. And South Africa lead by 1-0. Are they going to USA, Canada and Mexico in 2026? It's looking more than possible now. And Bata brought into the side. That's very poor goalkeeping from Ntwari. The rugby team are World Cup champions and rugby championship winners. What can the football team do? Apollos took his eye off the ball just for a moment. Morena resettles it. Apollos! Oh, it's brilliant! It's absolutely brilliant! Oswin Apollos, formerly from Polokwane City, now a Buccaneer. He gets his 4th international goal on his 18th appearance. And South Africa are sailing to the land of Uncle Sam. 2-0. Gayton can't contain himself. Even Daniel Down, who doesn't often smile these days, he's smiling. South Africa 2, Rwanda 0. Revenge is in the air, and revenge is very, very sweet. Apollos makes the mistake initially, takes his eye off the ball. Tapelo Morena recycles it. What a great finish here. Beautifully played by Eminence Makgopa, who'll get the assist. But look how well this man does. Apollos into the top corner. This time you can't fault Fiacre Ntwari. No goalkeeper in the world is stopping that. South Africa lead by 2-0. That is a picture and a half. Mbombela Stadium. It's working well for the home side. At half-time, it's Bafana Bafana who lead the Wasps of Rwanda by 2-0. They'll feel very happy with the way that they have conducted their business in the first half. And having a look at the stats, South Africa having all the possession, no shots at goal or off goal. So very well done by South Africa. 6 shots, 3 of them on target, 2 of them led to goals, and 4 corners to 1. It's very dominant for South Africa. We'll have a halftime discussion with V and her team in the studio. We'll be back for second half commentary from Mbombela. At the moment, if you're South African, smile and smile broadly.
Phakamisilwa polisi anobaleka la bhola yabakonatheni kogqitshwa ke ngoku. Evidence Makgopa. Baqeqeshi boMzantsi Afrika bayiqonda balento icalanye ngoku. Bayiqonda icalanye ngoku lento. INigeria yenza kwalo msebenzi umnye wamanqaku amathathu. Ibafana bafana ngoku ithi masigqibe lento kutsho uEvidence Makgopa. Thetha nayo ubhodlela uNkosinathi Sibisi uthi kodini uphinde waza nelinye. Uphinde weza nelinye inqaku. Kona kick ibinhle. Wenyuka uMakgopa ayibetha ipali engayijonganga noyijonga yayinhloko yakhe ayijikayo nje wayibetha ngephondo. Iswekile ziza kwehla ke ngoku, abane-high blood ziza kwehla ke ngoku kuba umsebenzi wenziwe, nabagulayo bazawuphila ngoku, neminista nayo ibetha umoya phezulu. Wathi uSompempe kwanele iphelile into ibithethwa wedlula uMzantsi Afrika waya kwiFIFA World Cup 2026. Here we come. Ayitsho nebhentshi yoMzantsi Afrika zii-celebrations nje zonke, hayi embhombela kuMzantsi Afrika xa uphela. Ebese ufika nini ezantsi umphathiswa, besimgqibele ehleli phezulu nje. Bronwyn Williams, captain wabafana bafana, wonwabile. Umphathiswa wonwabile.
Siyaya i-America, Bafana Bafana, Bafana Bafana. South Africa, we qualified with nobody's help. We stood, the players, the coach, the management. Thank you very much. Siyaya America. Salute.
Ngiyazivela kokwenu kumphathiswa wobugcisa imidlalo nenkcubeko lowo. Asitsho athi xa igqiba uthetha athi salute. uMzantsi Afrika udlulile uya kwindebe yehlabathi yeFIFA, uya kwindebe yaseAfrika, i-Africa Cup of Nations. KuMzantsi Afrika ke lowo, abadlali bayiqonda bayithetha ntoni nale nto kubo, bayiqonda bayithetha ntoni na kuMzantsi Afrika uphela. Bayenzile into abantu bebethandaza imihla nezolo, bethandazela le mini yanamhlanje. Imithandazo yabo ke iviwe kuba nali iqela labo lidlulile. Nigeria, uxolo Nigeria, umsebenzi sizenzele. Besuqhatha ngelaa xesha sithenza umsebenzi, besiyazi uba sizawuzenzela. Umvile umphathiswa uthi akho mntu usincedileyo, sizenzele ngokwethu, sazofika kule ndawo sikuyo siyenze ngokwethu. Ziphela zinjalo ke izinto, imincili kuMzantsi Afrika. Eludumo kubafana boMzantsi Afrika yagqibela nini le nto ukwenzeka? 2002 ukude kakubi wakusadlala oRuo Lucas Radebe ngoko namhlanje kuthiwa siyaphinda siyabuyela kwiFIFA. Imincili akho mntu ufuna uhamba uTeboho, izono zakho kodini zicanyagushela ezazingaze zenziwe nguwe phofu.